Esselamu Aleyküm and hoş geldiniz arkadaşlar. Bu video sonuncu video vakit hakkında. Bundan sonra yeni şeyleri öğrenmeye devam edeceğiz. İnşallah. So today we will learn one more thing about telling time in Turkish language. After that we will start learning other topics so that my friends can improve their Turkish language. Okay? Today we will learn how to say at 1:45. For example, when someone asks you at what time, you can say at 1:45 and the time. You will understand very soon after the intro. So go watch 10-second intro. So when someone asks at what time, in order to answer at 3:45, in Turkish you can say saat 4'e çeyrek kalanda. Saat 4'e çeyrek kalanda. Saat 4'e çeyrek kalanda. It means at 3:45. Literally means 15 minutes left to 4. One example. My friend comes and asks me, when will you upload a new video? I say, saat 4'e çeyrek kalanda. At 3:45. So it basically means I will upload a new video 15 minutes before 4 o'clock. Okay? I hope you got what I mean. So here, kalanda means when it lifts. When there is 15 minutes left. When there is 15 minutes left to 4, I will upload a new video. Right? Got it? Yeah. So in this sentence, all you need to change is the time again. 4'e, right? You can change it with any other time, like 6'ya, 11'e, 7'ye, 10'a, and so on. You can change any time you want. You don't need to just say these times. You can just change it by your time. And the rest of the sentences are same. You don't need to change any other thing. Just change the time. So here we are just using suffixes, which are a, e, ya, ye. So you can see the words and learn which one is coming after which one. No need to confuse yourself with these things right now. You will get it when you really become familiar with Turkish numbers, and you will learn them with my videos very soon. Just keep learning. And here are some bonus sentences. Lessons start at 9 o'clock. In Turkish you say, ders saat 9'da başlar. Ders saat 9'da başlar. Ders saat 9'da başlar. Lessons start at 9 o'clock. Zil saat 1'i çeyrek geçe çalar. Zil saat 1'i çeyrek geçe çalar. Zil saat 1'i çeyrek geçe çalar. Geçe or geçende. The bell rings at 1:15. Azan is at 3:30. Ezan saat 3:30'da okunur. Ezan saat 3:30'da okunur. Ezan saat 3:30'da okunur. Azan is at 3:30. The match ends at 11:45. Maç saat 12'ye çeyrek kala biter. Or maç saat 12'ye çeyrek kalanda biter. Maç saat 12'ye çeyrek kalanda biter. So these are bonus sentences. That's all for today. Keep learning and practicing them. Watch the videos again and again. Don't forget to like, share, comment your questions and subscribe to Language Animated channel. See you soon. Güle güle.